is turning, yesterday is burning. Now's the time for learning, the future has come. I feel the times are changing, I see the light escaping, a season for connecting, tomorrow has dawned.
Welcome to Dallas, Texas, everyone. I'm gonna be here exploring for one day, and later on during the day I'll be meeting with some friends I've met in Finland, and you may have seen them on this channel. But for now, I'll just go for an explore.
Hi everyone, my name is Marie and I'm from beautiful Eastern Canada. I explore and travel the world by myself or with friends to escape the 9 to 5. Make sure to subscribe and come along on this journey as we discover the most amazing places the world has to offer.
I'm staying at the Sheraton downtown, so let me give you a quick room tour. When you enter, this is what you see. You have a little lounge area, sort of living room situation. And then you enter the second portion of the suite. You have the bathroom, and then you have the bedroom. I believe it's a king-size bed, and it's got lots of room. I'm now walking in the West End, and that's where you'll find many museums and the memorial for JFK. So I thought this was gonna be the area where I would find the most things to visit. So in 1962, John F. Kennedy was killed here in Dallas, and you can actually visit the museum. And if you go to the 6th floor, you'll see where the shooter was standing. You can also go down the street and you'll see some X's on the road, and that's where the bullets hit the president. Not too far from the museum, you'll find in a little park a memorial that was erected for JFK. So I just went on a trolley tour, and it's about an hour and a half, and you tour pretty much the whole downtown area of Dallas. You can also choose the option to hop on and hop off. I just took the loop, but if you take the hop on hop off, I believe it's good for 2 days, and it's just a $5 difference. Also, if you take the trams that are in the downtown area, they're free. Something interesting I learned on the trolley, I was wondering this morning, I felt the streets were pretty empty, and I learned that they have underground tunnels for pedestrians, and they have about 3 miles worth of tunnels, so that's why I didn't see anyone walking on the streets. If you're in the West End and you're looking to buy hats, boots, belts, I recommend you come here. It's called Wild Bill's Western Store. So if you're in the area of the Holocaust Museum and the 6th floor museum, it's right around the corner. My next stop is now gonna be the Dallas Holocaust and Human Rights Museum. I've heard it's a must-see, so I won't miss it. Museum was definitely worth the visit, but I heard there's a part that you get to see some holograms of the survivors and they tell their stories, and I've heard it's breathtaking, but I missed that part. And I'm now on my way to meet my friends Rocky and Sarah, and we're gonna meet at the Reunion Tower. We didn't plan this, it's just a tower with a great view. It's called Reunion. It's very fitting because we haven't seen each other since Finland.
London, here we come, baby!
So yeah, I'm on my way to meet them at the Reunion Tower for our reunion.
I want you to love me, baby. I want you to see My heart is a freight train, baby, and it's rolling, it's picking up that steam.
Hardest level. You got really close.
It's a great view.
All hung up on you, girl. You know I can't get
Right after the Holocaust Museum in your vlog.
We went up the tower.
And we got a great view.
Yes, the most beautiful view, and it's a perfectly sunny day. We're going to get barbecue after this.
For my belly.
Barbecue for our tummies.
My heart is a freight train, baby, and it's rolling, it's picking up that steam.
Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Got all the goods for me.